Changing your dialogue language can be as simple as a single click. Let's take a look at how to set this up. It all starts with a structure that holds an array. The structure gives us a way to organize each language by name, for example, English. Then, inside the structure, the array stores each line of dialogue in order. So, here's how it works. Create an event action that sets your text box object's text to dialog.english.0, and that will display the first indexed text, "What a boring day." Now, change that last number from 0 to 1, and will instead show the next line of text. And that's how you create your basic chat. So let's go ahead and add a new language. Just create a new child under dialogue and name it after your language. Use a translator, like Google Translate, to fill in the new lines. Now, to switch languages, simply update your code from dialog.english to dialog.yournewlanguage, and you're done. But here's a pro tip. Instead of hard coding the language, store it in a text variable. I named mine CurrentLanguage. Then swap your code from dot notation to brackets. Dialog, open bracket, CurrentLanguage, close bracket, .0. Now, whenever you change that variable, every dialogue line in your game updates automatically. Now, I can't straight up share my code with you since it's just a scene within my actual game, but here are all the events involved in running the skit. Don't forget to add your structure variable named dialog with all of the languages inside and your current language variable. As always, I'm super grateful for my channel members. Thank you very much, Don Sir, Rob Cop, and Funk. I've been Winstreak, and until next time, peace.